The INKBIRD CO2 monitor. This is the box it comes in. All right, pretty straightforward little device here. It comes with a USB-C cable. This is where you charge it right there, on and off button. This is obviously where it gets all of its air from, so it can do all the sensing. It's got vents all over the place. You can stand it up like so, right, like that, or you could put this and hang it like so, or you could lay it down, or you could do all these different things. It does detect CO2, which is why I got it. It also detects the humidity. It has a battery sensor on there, and it has the actual temperature of the house or wherever it is. And you can obviously change this between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The form factor is really small, very compact, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. And it does feel good in your hands, not that you're gonna be walking around. It does have some indicator lights that you can set. It also has indicators or has buzzers that if your CO2 goes too high or too low, that it will go off. It has buzzers built into it. You can also change the amount of times it goes and checks for CO2. And you can see, since I'm talking a lot, CO2 has already gone up. It's up to 904. I'm not sure if you can see that just from me talking and breathing on it. But yeah, it has a backlit light, and that's it. I have a couple things from INKBIRD, pretty cool little company. Check them out.